first, we will be talking about formatting a web page using the font tag. So as you are able to see over here, we are having many different tags in HTML in order to format the web page. One of them which we will be using now is definitely font tag. So as you are able to see over here, the font tag in HTML plays an important role in the web page to create an attractive and readable web page. That means if our font is not appropriate, it won't be catching the audience in order to read our web page. So it is very, very important for us to design a web page that is readable. And if the web page has to be readable, definitely the fonts should be appropriate enough. So as you are able to see over here, we will be now making use of font attribute. Now a font tag. So when I'm talking about font tag, we will be starting with the font tag over here. And there are three attributes over here: face, color, and size. So now, as we all are aware about it, this is the HTML site that I have already opened. I will be clicking on insert. After insert, I'll be clicking on embed. And when we click on embed, this window will get open in front of you. We're required to click on embed code. Now, for simplification, first, in order to make you aware, I'm making use of HTML. I will be making use of doc. So first I will be writing the entire code in doc, and then I will be copy pasting this particular part onto the Google Sites. So these are the basic tags that we have already learned about it. We are always starting with HTML, then it is head, title, head close, and body. Now as you are able to see over here, first I will be making use of font tag over there. So font. After font, what we are able to see, there are three attributes. First is size. So I will be giving size as size equal to, suppose I am giving size as 7. Next we will be making use of face over there. So what are face? You are able to see this is called as the face over here. Now I will be making use of font with a space, face equal to, I am typing Roboto because I am able to see Roboto is one of the face over here. And then I will be typing color equal to, suppose this time I am giving the color as green. Close the font tag and then make use of H1. H1 stands for heading 1. The Green Acres Academy. I will be closing H1 and then closing the font tag. After closing the font tag, it's time to close the body first and then close the HTML part over here. Now let's copy this and see whether the code properly runs or not. Control C. Control V. Click on next and see whether it is running properly or not. Yes. Now when I insert this, you will be able to see over here the Green Acres Academy. Now I'll edit it. I'll change the size. I'll make the size little bit small because I'm able to see the size is very, very big. There are multiple codes over here. I require to delete some of the codes. Now. Yes. So now I will be making use of font size equal to 3. And I will be checking some of the font tags over there. So Arial is there, Roboto is there, Times New Roman is there. Suppose this time I'll practice for Times New Roman. So I'm typing over here Times New Roman. And I'll give the color as some other color now. Color equal to, this time suppose I'm giving red. Click on next. Save. Yes, you are clearly able to see over here. Initially the code was not correct because there was certain code inside it. Now one more time. Let's check. Now I will be making it 5. Press next. Save. You are able to see that the font size is increasing. Done. Now replace the font face by Roboto. Click on next and see how it runs. Minor changes in the part over there. Then Roboto. So I will be checking the spelling one more time whether it is same. Roboto. Font face equal to this. And then color. Now this time I'll be choosing the color as yellow. So these are few of the tags that we will be making use for the font over there. So as you are able to see, the first part is done. We have already used this particular part, that is the font tag, and I have shown you face, color and size all. Now what are the next tag? Now the next tag that you are able to see is bold and strong. Again, I will be making use of over here. So I will be making use of B. B stands for bold. It can be capital, it can be small, it depends upon you. It is not case sensitive. Case sensitive means whether you write in capital or you write in small, the code will be executed. Green Acres Academy, I'm closing the bold part over there. Now just copy this, edit the site, and let's see how it works now. After H1 I'm putting. Click on next. Perfect. You are able to see the Green Acres Academy. Now the same code with the help of, I'll be just copy pasting this particular part over there, and in place of B I'm writing strong. Close strong part. As you are able to see in the presentation also, the second tag that we are making use of is strong. So what is the difference between bold and strong? First, let us copy this particular code on the Google Sites and see what happens over there. Yes, there is no difference. So either you require to make use of bold or strong. It is one and the same thing. But one thing to note down over here is both the Green Acres Academy are coming on the same line, which I don't want. And if I want to make changes over here, I require to insert a tag called as BR. I will be showing on doc over here. So after this, after bold, I'm putting BR, that is break. After strong again, I'll be putting a code called as BR or a tag called as BR. BR stands for break. Copy pasting the new code. Now let us see. Okay. I require to only copy the half part. So I'm just copy pasting this part. Now let's see how it is looking. I think I have pasted certain different codes over here also. I require to check. Oh yes, I have made it green now. Then the Green Acres Academy. Now click on next. Click on save option. And you will be able to see, yes, the font size is very big now. So I require to reduce the font size over there. Now you are able to see the Green Acres Academy are coming on two separate lines, but the first Green Acres Academy, it is very big. So I'll make it small over there. I will be making the size as 3. And let's see how it runs. Perfect. Now you are able to see the Green Acres Academy coming on two separate lines. Now after bold and strong, we are having another character called as I and EM. Now let's watch what I and EM does. Again, what I will be doing after break, first I'm typing I, the same thing, the Green Acres Academy, closing the I tag over here now, then close with the BR tag, then it is EM. I'll be copy pasting the Green Acres Academy in order to save my time. I will be making use of the close tag and then again BR. Just copy just copy this code again from HTML till this HTML. Edit the code and let's see how it runs now. You are able to see over here. I require to make the changes first because over here the size is 7 again. I will be making the size as 3 and let's check how it is looking like now. Again, you are able to see that there is no difference between italics and EM. So it is up to you, either use italics or use EM. It is one and the same thing. The next tag is small and big. Now let's watch what small does and what big does. Now over here, after EM, the first tag it is small. Copy pasting the Green Acres Academy. Closing the small part, BR. Then it is big. The Green Acres Academy, big part is closed. Now this time I'll be only copy pasting this code. That is from small and big, not the entire part. Come to the site over there, edit it. Perfect. After break, I'm inserting. Now let's watch what it does. You are able to see the Green Acres Academy small and the Green Acres Academy big. Done. Moving back to the presentation. So small will definitely display the images or the text as small, as you are able to see over here. When I write small, the text is written in a very small manner, and when I write big, the text are big as compared to the other text. Next, after this, we are having a special tag called as delete tag, that is DEL. Now let's watch what DEL does over here. Again, after this, I will be typing DEL. Just copy the Green Acres Academy. Close the DEL part, that is delete part, and then BR. Copy pasting only the delete tag in my code, and let's see what it does. Next. You are able to see over here when it will be displayed. Yes. So the Green Acres Academy, it is cancelled on it. There is a line on it. So what is the use of this particular part? The basic use of this particular part is to just cancel it. Done. Now moving back to the coding part, and let's watch what are the different codes over there. Now I'll be showing you two of most important codes over there, that is SUP. Now what is the use of SUP? SUP stands for superscript, or SUB stands for subscript. Now when we are writing the formula for water, the formula for water is H2O. So now what I will be doing, first I will be writing H, and then sub, SUB stands for subscript. Then I'm closing sub, and then H2O. Again after this, I'll be inserting a B, it is BR over there. BR stands for break. Now again copy only the part. I hope this will run over here. Perfect. Now when I save it, you are able to see that H2. So this 2 indicates it is a subscript. And when the same code is copy pasted with SUP. SUP stands for superscript. Now let's watch what will be the difference in it. Edit the code. Next. Now when I click on next and save, you will be able to see the difference between both of them. So you are able to see H2O as subscript, H2O as superscript. So these are basic formatting tags that we will be making use of in the HTML part. Thank you.